Welcome to another video of Easy Auto Workshop Management Software. And this is a page called Appointments. So we have two ways of creating an appointment. First is we click over appointment page, then we click on create appointment. So you will see this very simple form. On the left side, you will be able to fill your customer details. You can select from the old customers using their number, or you can add a new customer. Like in earlier videos, we have used Adam. So we select Adam this time, or we can add a new customer from here. We select appointment test client and we add the number. We can also add the client's vehicle number. We say right, and we can select Toyota, model is Camry, year of manufacturing is 2026, fuel type is petrol. We can add the insurance, we can add the pollution, everything, and we can select the color also, gray. Save. You see all the details. So with this way we have added a new customer along with a new vehicle. Super easy. So all the details are not mandatory. On the only the contact number and customer number is important. If you want to add a customer without adding the vehicle details, it is possible in Easy Auto Workshop software. You can also add the client's GST number over here if the client will take GST benefit or the tax rebate in any country. So you can add GST number, the tax ID of the customer. If the customer have requested for pick and drop service, so you can add from select over here and add the credentials, right? And then we select the service. Very simple. So you remember that in the first video I have told you that how these services are coming. These services are coming from the services database located under software settings. Only the super admin will be able to add the services or change the pricing of the services. So then we can also add new services, but we can select from this existing services. We say service, maybe AC vacuum service. So we are assigning any mechanic to it. Yes, we are assigning mechanic 1 for it. And the price, we say we are selling it for maybe 400. And we want to apply the GST exclusive on it. And is there any advance given by the client? We say yes, 200 maybe, right? So we can book an appointment, right? And the book appointment will be for 9th of August 2026, 10 p.m. Or we keep it for maybe 10th of August and we put it like 10 a.m. Yes, 10 a.m. and book appointment. So you see appointment is booked. Let us go on dashboard and we select next. We will be able to see calendar of 10th of August for mechanic 1, and you see Toyota Camry appointment, test client, and the service to be given as vacuum service. We can start when the client comes in. We can add check-in, and we can edit. We can create a job card. We can directly jump to the bill. Also, I want to show you that if you click on the calendar and we want to book another appointment for mechanic 1 for August of 10th, and then we click on 12 p.m. So we can select a very quickly from here. Also we can add new appointment. Also, when creating an appointment, if you have selected SMS and WhatsApp, so the appointment confirmation, the appointment reminders will be given to your customers without clicking anything extra. So what does this mean? That if the client is having an appointment of 10th of August at 10 a.m. at 9:30 a.m. this client will be reminded about the service, about the appointment, and even the when we book the appointment also there is a confirmation message that is sent to the client's WhatsApp and SMS. So this is very nice, simple way of creating appointments. And when we are creating an appointment, we can have multiple services also. Like we want to have 10,000 kilometer service, we want to add maybe ppf bumper also, we want to add maybe alloy wheel detailing also. So while creating services, and we can have multiple mechanics allotted. We have listed only one mechanic at this time in the easy auto workshop software. Otherwise you can have multiple mechanics, different mechanics, right? And you can give discount, and we have given you power of applying taxes for every service separately on each row. So this is very simple. The second very important part about appointment that you must see is when you click on appointment data, you will be able to see everything. This is very simple and very powerful data table of appointments. You see the appointment ID, the date and time when it is created, the client details. When you click on it, the client details will be open in new tab. Vehicle details, when you click on it, the vehicle details will be visible to you. You see this is a client details, this is a vehicle details, JRK 786 appointment test client. And you can see the schedule, you can see the services, how many services, what total we have, and how much is pending. You remember that we use 200 rupees as an advance money. Status is pending, confirm. You can send this appointment reminder to the client from here, and you can link. So what is linking? See, this is a new feature of easy auto workshop software. What it do is, you want to link this appointment to a job card. This is possible. So let me click over here and create a bill. When you click a add bill, you see the magic, the contact details, the number, the name, the vehicle number, the service also is coming here, and the advance also is coming. You just need to put how the client paid the pending 272 rupees, and done. Also at the time of billing, if you want to add one, the customer says that I want to buy a product also, maybe a pressure switch or something. Everything is out of stock, otherwise we have might have selected something. So maybe the client wants another service like ppf, so we can add more services at the time of bill. So this way you will be able to see on the later stages which appointment is linked to which bill, or maybe the job card. Also you can filter these details, like how many bookings we got this month, like this. We have the filter of appointment date, booking dates, statuses, client, vehicle, source, from which source people are coming to you, linked, whether the appointment is created but there is no bill. So it means no shows. So you want to see that appointments booked between 1st of August to 9th of August and are not linked with any bill. It means no shows. Appointment was billed or appointment was made, but there is no bill, no invoicing. So there is no show of the client. So you will be able to see those reports, and you can select all of them and think about a marketing template and send them via email or WhatsApp. So there might be a reason that people book appointments with you and there is a no show. So you can identify those clients, those vehicles, and send them some offers, or maybe blacklist them for another appointment. So this is very nice, very simple. Create appointments and how to manage appointments in easy auto workshop software.